Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Exness. This is useful if you got a new SIM card, changed countries, or simply want to update your security details. First, open the Exness app and log into your account. Once you're inside your personal area, tap on the profile icon or settings depending on your app layout now. Look for the section that says Security or Personal Information. Here, you'll see your current phone number linked to your account. Tap on Phone Number. Exness will now ask you to verify your identity to make sure it's really you making the change. You'll receive a verification code by SMS or email, depending on your security settings. Enter that code to continue. Once you've confirmed your identity, you'll see an option that says Change Phone Number. Tap it, then enter your new phone number. Exness will send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code to confirm, and once it's verified, your phone number will be successfully updated inside your account. If your old number is no longer active, and you can't receive the verification code, don't worry, you'll need to contact Exness customer support. Just open live chat through the app and let them know you want to update your phone number. They may ask you to provide ID for identity verification. Once confirmed, they'll manually update your number for you, and that's it. Your phone number on Exness is now changed and secured. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what Exness tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.